Hey guys, what we got here is our ICI epoxy neat coat, and what we're going to use this for the main component of our metallic marble system along with our metallic pigments. And what I have here is a 3-gallon kit. We have different sizes of kits. We have 1.5-gallon kit, 3-gallon kit, 7.5-gallon kit, and we've got larger kit sizes as well. So with the metallic marble system, and whenever we're using neat coat epoxy, when you're mixing it up, it's a 2-component system, 2 parts A with 1 part B. And with the 3-gallon kit, we've got 2 gallons of A, 1 gallon of B. So what we have here is our 2 gallons of part A, and we're going to pre-mix that for 3 minutes prior to adding any metallic pigments. Okay, so we've got our 2 gallons of Part A neat coat mixed up. What I like to do is add 50% one color with 50% another color. And so what we're going to do now, we've got a gallon of Part A here, a gallon of Part A here. We're going to add a bottle of our Ocean Shimmer metallic, and we're going to add a bottle of our graphite metallic to this one. So it's just as simple as opening up the bottle, and we're going to add that Ocean Shimmer right into 1 gallon of Part A. And 1 bottle of metallic per gallon of Part A. This is the graphite metallic. And like I said before, I like to go 50% one color mixed with 50% another color and pour those 2 different colors on the floor. So what we got here, we got Ocean Shimmer. And again, it's 2-to-1, 2 parts A with 1 part B. I do have 8 ounces of A with 4 ounces of B hardener. And over here, I've got 8 ounces of graphite in the part A, and I've got 4 ounces of part B hardener. So we're going to add those 2 components together. Start your mixing process. Okay, I'm going to mix up my part B into my graphite part A. You always want to be exact on your ratios. Again, that's 2 parts A with 1 part B. On an actual job, I'm using a drill at a slow mixing pace. We don't want to entrap air into our epoxy. We want to mix at a slow level, but thoroughly mix it, and usually that's anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 to 3 minutes at the most, really, is all you really need to mix. But you want to thoroughly mix those 2 components together without picking your wand up and putting it back in as you're mixing. You don't want to entrap air into it